Engineering scales. Okay, engineering scales you have to use for measuring objects. Am I right? Here some types of scales here there: plane scale, diagonal scale, vernier scale. Okay, in your syllabus, three types of scales: plane scale, diagonal scale, vernier scale. Okay, see what is the name of the full size? Full size means 1:1. The reducing size scale is 1:, some number 20. For example, take 20. A large scale is a reverse for the reducing scale. 20:1 is the scales: full size scale, reducing scale, enlarging scales. Okay. Now most important point is representative fraction. What is the representative fraction? Ratio of the drawing size by its actual size. What is the representative factor? Ratio of the drawing size by its actual size. Now some formulas here. The drawing size of an object by its actual size. Drawing size of an object by its actual size. Next one, area of the drawing by its actual area. Volume of the drawing by its actual volume. These are main important formulas for finding the RF value. Okay, next one, length of the scale. How to find the length of the scale? Length of the scale, L is equal RF into maximum length to be measured. How to find the length of the scale? Maximum RF into maximum length to be measured. Okay. Now some measurements, metric measurements and FES measurements. In metric measurements, conversation 10 decimeters equal to 1 meter. 10 decimeters equal to 1 meter. 10 meters equal to 1 decameter. 10 decameter equal to 1 hectameter. 10 hectameter equal to 1 kilometer. This is the MKS measurements. Again, FES measurements. Here, 1 mile is equal 8 furlongs. 1 furlong is equal 220 yards. 1 yard is equal 3 feet. 1 foot is equal 12 inches. Okay, 12 inches. 1 inch is equal 2.54 centimeters. In engineering, all dimensions in mm. Engineering, all dimensions are in mm. This is the introduction about your scales. Now take one problem. Already wrote the problem. Say what is the problem? A construct a plane scale when 1 centimeter represent to 4 meters and long enough to measure 50 meters. Am I right? 50 meters. Find the RF. Mark on your scale 36 meters. Okay. Now it is solve that problem. One centimeters when represent 4 meters. Am I right? This is a length of the drawing. It is the actual length. What is the formula? RF is equal, yes, length of the drawing by its actual length. What is the length of the drawing? Centimeters by 4 meters. RF is equal 1 centimeters by 4 meters. Then meters convert into centimeters. 4 into 100 mm. Sorry, 100 centimeters. 1 meter can say how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. What is the RF here? 1 by 400. This is RF. RF is completed. Again, L is equal formula. RF into maximum length to be measured. Okay, no? RF into maximum length to be measured. Find the length of the scale. L is equal to the RF 400 into what is the maximum length? Yes, 50 meters. 50 meters. Then meters convert into centimeters. Centimeters convert into millimeters. Finally, How much? 55, 125 mm. Length of the scale is 125 mm. Now we start construct a plane scale. Okay. This is the procedure for all scales. Linear scale, diagonal scales common up to here. Length of the scale is find the common. Now, what is the length of the scale? 120 mm. Take this distance 10 mm. Construct rectangle box like this. This box divided into number of equal parts. Depend upon the maximum length. For the maximum length here 50 meters. Then divide into this box 5 equal parts. Each box 10 meters. 5 times the 50 meters. Okay. How to divide this one? 125 by 5 equal to 25. It's a okay. Next 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. The meters. Meters. Okay. First division divided into 10 equal parts. Because of you have to find on your scale 36 meters. 30 plus 6 equal to 36 meters. Okay. Now divide this on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now see how to measure 36 meters on your scale. This is the complete your scale. Here write here RF is equal to how much? 400. Okay. How to find the 36 meters on your scale? 36 meters. 30, 30, 30 meters plus 6 meters. 36 meters. Dimensions. Again, dimensions. What are this one? L is equal to how much? Yes, 125. All dimensions are in mm. All dimensions are in mm. Okay. 125 mm. You get full marks, 8 mark question this one. Okay, got it?